How to share draft reels to friends. If you want to share a draft reel with your friends on Instagram, here's the simple method. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now you want to tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, head over to the Reels section. Now tap on Draft. If you do not have anything on your draft, you first of all want to create one. Now go ahead and select your draft. Now tap on the edit option to open the video editor. Here you want to swipe and find this download icon and then download it. If your draft doesn't save, you can try adding a song. Due to copyright restrictions, you can only save the reel without the audio, but adding a song ensures it saves. Once it has been saved, head over to your gallery. Then you can simply share this with your friends using any application that you want. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.